Hey everybody, this is Erin from the Cheshire Public Library, and today I'll be showing you how to make an account, download, and use Zoom on your desktop computer. To start off, we'll go to our internet browser and search for Zoom in Google. It's our first result, and on the Zoom homepage, we'll click on the orange button in the upper right hand of the screen that says Sign Up, it's free. To start, input your birthday and email, which will then send a confirmation email to your email account. Click on the link in your email to finish setting up your account. Then we have to download Zoom. Search Download Zoom in Google, and the first result will bring us to the Zoom Download Center. All you have to do next is click on the blue Download button. Then the download starts. Double-click on the prompt to start your download. When it's done downloading, a Zoom pop-up window will show up. You can either join a meeting or sign in. We'll start by signing into our account. When you log in, this will open up the Zoom main screen, which has a few different options, including join a call, start a call, look at your calendar, and share screen. We'll start off by starting our own Zoom call. Here I am showing you the bottom of the screen, and we can mute ourselves, turn off our webcam, and check out our participants. I've invited Louise, my coworker from CPL, into my Zoom call. In my participants window, Louise shows up in our virtual waiting room. We can either admit or remove her here. I'll click accept and she's added to the call. Since I started the call, I can mute and unmute Louise. I can also share my screen with her. Clicking on the screen share button at the bottom of the screen, we get several different options. We can share our entire computer screen, share just a browser window, or open up a whiteboard to draw on. When we're ready, we can click the blue share button at the bottom of the screen to start sharing our screen with other participants. When we're done with our call, click the red End Meeting for All button at the bottom of your screen. This will end your call. And now you know the basics of Zoom for your computer. If you need any help getting set up, feel free to reach out to Cheshire librarians, who are answering phones remotely from 9 to 5, Monday to Friday. We'd be happy to help you get started. Until then, stay safe and be well.